So hello guys, so the topic today is about exponential growth. So this topic is under to the differential equation. So ganito yan guys. So for the letter A, the formula of the exponential growth to guys A is the total population and P is the initial population or the original populations, and E is the Euler's number, which Euler's constant, the 2.718, and R is the rate of growth, and T is for the time. Gets guys? So yun lang siya guys. So ginagamit itong exponential growth kapag ang isang bagay or substance or population is maangat guys. Paangat siya. Paangat, exponential. Exponential growth guys. So tatandaan nyo na exponential growth is positive while the decay is negative. Decay. Gets? So for this time is exponential growth tayo, positive. Gets? So for the first problem of the differential equation, the exponential growth, so the exponential growth model is 30 e raised to 0.0 t. Describe the populations of the city of the Philippines in thousands. T is equals to 1995 years. T years of 19 after 1995 siya guys. Gets? So what was the populations in the 1995? The population is the letter A. A is the unknown, while the P of O or the original is equals to what? Guys, tingnan nyo mabuti yung question, yung problem is given na yung equation na gagamitin natin. Like input na lang tayo, plug and play na lang. So A is equals to what? 30 e raised to 0.02, and to get the T is T is equals to what? 1995. Then nag 1995 daw siya nag-start. 1995 siya nag-start, and then yung tinatanong is what was the population in 1995. Dito siya nag-start. Tinatanong is population 1995. May pinagbago ba 1995? So wala. So minus lagi yan guys 1995. T is equals to what? 0. So it means the T is 0. Gets? Then 0.02 times 0 is what? 0. And any 0 na lang siya guys. Any number raised to 0 or constant raised to 0 is 1. So A is equals to 30 multiplied to 1. Then it means that the answer for the letter A is 30, and from the word na thousand, it means multiply it by 1000. So the A is equals to 30,000. Ito yung total population nila guys. Gets? Next, letter B. What will be the populations in 2019? So the given equation is A is equals to 30 e raised to what? 0.02 t. So the t is equals to 2019. 2019 yung tinatanong. Then isusubtract natin siya sa 1995 na kung saan siya nagsimula. 1995. T is equals to what? 2019 minus 1995 is equals to 24 years. 24 years yung letter T natin. It means that the letter T here is 24. Burayin na natin. Lagay natin 24. Gets? So A is equals to, press 30 and alpha exp sa pinakababa or shift in is raised to what? 0.02 multiplied by 24. So the answer is 48.48, or it means that the 48.482 is kagusto niya is naka 1000, di ba guys? Kung mababasa nyo 1000 sa taas, so multiply by 1000. So the answer is what? A is equals to 48,482. Whole number siya guys Whole number kasi walang kalahati na tao. Pag nilagay natin yan, 48,482.23 yan, di ba guys? Tanggalin na to kasi wala naman 0.23 na tao. Ang isang tao is equals to 1. Walang 0.23. So the answer is 48,482. Gets? Next, the population of a certain country doubles in 50 years. So first, the double in 50 years daw siya. And when will be the populations be tripled? Assume that the law of growth to hold. Growth yung gagamitin natin, which is the formula is A is equals to P of O E raised to RT. The growth, guys. Game. Next. The A is the population of a certain country doubles in 15 years. In 50 years. So the populations daw, which is the A, is nag-double daw siya in 50 years. So in the population of initial is equals to what? So this is equals to A is equals to 2 of PO. Kasi nag-double daw siya guys sa population ng original. Gets guys? Kung nag-double siya sa population ng original, it means that the P sub O is equals to PO. The P of original or the initial. So, eto is dinoble niya lang. Ayun, doubled. Gets? So, in 50 years, time is 50. So, game. Proceed tayo sa first natin. Ito yung formula ang gagamitin natin. A is equals to what? 2 P of O is equals to PO E raised to R. What is R? Unknown. The T is 50. Gets? Next is divide both sides by what? P of O. P of O. Cancel, cancel, cancel. Ang natira is 2 is equals to E R 50. Gets? So, next ang gagawin natin is panoorin nyo muna yung logarithm ko bago ay mag-proceed dito. Gets? So, lagyan natin ng ln both sides to cancel this. The ln E is equals to 1. Diba guys? Gets? So, ln of 2 is equals to etong exponent dadalhin sa harap, which is the 50 of R or R50. Pwede pagbalik ta rin yan. And ln E is equals to 1. Then, natira na lang is ln 2 is equals to 50R. Divide both sides by 50. And then, cancel the 50-50, ang natira is what? ln2 is equals to 50 is equals to R. The R, ln2 over 50 is equals to what? 0. R is equals to 0.01386294361. Nilagay ko lahat yung decimal para pag nag-compute tayo is accurate. Pero it depends on your professor or instructor kung gaano karaming decimal ang ilalagay nyo. Gets? Next. Meron na tayong R. Proceed tayo sa next. Ito yung next natin yan guys. So, when will be the populations be tripled? Be tripled daw. Yung population natin kailan daw magti-tripled? So, nag-tripled na siya dyan. Ang tanong kailan? Ang kailan is question mark, the time. Gets? So, first, the A is equals to P of O E R T. Then, ang A natin is 3PO. Then, the PO will PO E. And ang R natin is what? 0.01386294361. Ang T natin is equals to what? Unknown, di ba guys? Gets? So, divide both sides by what? PO, PO. This will be cancel, cancel, cancel. Ang natira is 3 is equals to what? E raised to 0.01386294361 of T. And lagyan ng ln both sides para matanggal yung E. ln 3 is equals to what? Cancel the E. Cancel na natin yan guys. Kasi pag dinala natin sa harap, makakancel din. So yung natira na lang is ito. 0.01386294361 of t. Gets? So divide both sides by 0.01386 4361. Divide nyo sila kabilaan, guys. And this will be cancel. Cancel, natira na lang letter T. Ang T natin is equals to what? ln3 divide dun sa haba, guys, which is the 0.01386294361. So yung sagot is what? 79.25 years. So the answer is 79.25 years. Ito yan, guys. Pwede lumabas sa calc mo 79.25, 24, 23, 26. It depends on you sa calculator nyo. Pero pag ako yung tatanungin nyo, mas gagamitin ko tong ln2 over 50 kesa sa decimal. Ang decimal kasi kadalasan ginagamit lang to. Pero mas accurate ang ln2 over 50. Para maging accurate yung decimal mo, lagay mo lahat sa calc mo. Pero ito yung mas preferred kong gamitin kesa sa decimal. Gets? So the answer is 79.25 years. Gets? So the next problem is the exponential growth model of a is equals to p e raised to rt describes the growth of the rate. Describes natin dito, mapalabas natin dapat yung growth of rate. Gets? So the population of a city present population is 108k. The P sub O after 20 years is the T, and 251k is equals to A, the total population. The A is equals to PERT. A is 251k, guys. Substitute. The total population is equals to what? The PO yan. Then 108k. The P of original or the initial population is 108k. E, and then what is the R? R is still unknown. The T is what? 20 years. 20 years. Gets? Plug and play lang, guys. Next, divide both sides by what? 108k. Then, we'll cancel. Natira is 251 over 108k is equals to what? E of R20. Then put ln both sides to cancel the E. So ln of 251k over 108k is equals to yung exponent dadalhin sa harap, which is R20 and ln E. And ln E is equals to 1. So divide both sides by 20 to cancel the 20 and R na lang matitira, which is R is equals to etong 20 pwedeng gawin natin sa harap, which is 1 over 20. Pwede rin naman ganito. Gets lang? Pwede rin ganito, guys, ha? The laws of logarithm, panoorin nyo yun, guys. May video ako nun. Thank you. Then ln of 251k over 108k. So, insert your calculator, guys. Dapat yung lumabas dyan is equals to what? Again, type natin. So, yung lumabas is R is equals to 0.04216608556. Then, convert into what? Percentage. To convert this into percentage is multiply by 100%. R is equals to 4.216608556%. It depends on your professor kung ilang gaano o kung gaano karaming decimal places ang kailangan nyo. Gets? So, pwede na yung 4 decimal places dyan, guys, pero pinakita ko ng buo para hindi kayo malito. Gets? So, yan yung answer. 4.21% siya yung the growth of rate of the population in a city present in 108k. So, gets, guys. So, So, the next problem is if a culture of a particular type of a yeast is the amount of the active ferment doubles in 3 hours. So, how much active ferment in 15 hours? Gets guys? So, baling tanong is how much active ferment in 15 hours na siya guys. Ilan na yung total niya? So, kung ilan na yung total na meron sa 15 hours na nakalipas. Gets? So, this will be is the exponential growth. Exponential growth kasi nga umangat siya. Aangat siya. Gets guys? So, exponential growth yan. Gets? O game, proceed tayo. So, in a culture of a particular type of yeast, the amount of the active will double in 3 hours. So, the A is equals to 3P of O. Will double the initial will triple doubled the initial population. Sorry, nalito ako, kala ko ito hours pala yun. So double the initial population or the original population, which is the original population is the P of O. Gets? Next, in 3 hours, the time is 3 hours. Game. Dahil ang time is 3 hours, next, ang gagawin natin yan is substitute sa general equation. A is equals to 2PO, N is equals to PO of E, R. What is the R? R natin is what? Unknown. And the T is the 3. So, divide both sides by what? PO, PO. Cancel. 2 is equals to E of R, 3. Ln both sides to remove the E. Ang mangyayari niyan is R3 of ln E. This is equals to 1 and ln 2. And multiply both sides, divide both sides by 3. So, bali yung 3 natin matatanggal. Then, the ln 2 over 3 is equals to R. ln 3 over 2 is equals to ln 2 over 3. So, sa decimal places, 0.23104900602. So, ito yun. Same lang siya ng fraction form and the decimal form. Gets? Next. Proceed tayo sa kabila. Wait, tatiin natin para di kayo malito. O, game. The R, dahil meron na tayong R, and the next question yan is how much active ferment in 15 hours. Time is equals to 15. Then the active ferment in 15 hours will unknown. And the R is equals to ln 2 over 3. Gets? So, for the letter A is equals to P of O, which is the P of O, E, R. What is the R? ln 2 over 3. Gagamitin natin to ngayon guys. Yung kanina decimal, eto naman gamitin natin ngayon guys. Gets? Next, the R is the ln 2 over 3 and the T is 15 hours. So next, dahil mayroon na tayong 15 hours, then input this into your calculator. The shift E of ln 2 over 3 of 15. So the answer is A is equals to 32P of O. 32 yung population niya. Gets? So the answer is letter A, apple, 32. So, yan yung tamang sagot guys, correct? Gets? So, yun lang guys, ang topic natin today is exponential growth ng differential equation. So, thank you for watching and I love you all to infinity and beyond. Goodbye.